welcome back once again to my channel. In case you're new here, it's me again, it's your baby girl. So I'll be dropping videos to certainly answer your questions. You guys have left so many questions and I am yet to reply. Please be patient with me. I will be shooting a video soon to answer your questions, so stay tuned. So in today's video, let's talk about the basic effective skincare routine for a beginner in the year 2024. So this year you've probably made a resolution to do more skincare, take care of a whole lot of things concerning your well-being, skincare inclusive, and you're lost. You're asking yourself, how do I get this figured out? How do I solve this problem? Well, this video is for you. Please make sure you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Don't forget to click on the super thanks icon to show your appreciation if you got value from this video. Now, in case you're still asking yourself, why are people doing skincare? What is skincare? Skincare simply means taking care of your skin. It involves processes like cleansing your skin, toning your skin, conditioning or toning your skin, treating your skin to help it appear more radiant, youthful, glowing, and supple. Yes, if you want your skin looking very radiant, moisturized, having that pop glow, glowing skin, right? That is exactly what skincare is all about. It involves you taking care of your skin 100%. I'm going to go through all these 4 processes and explain to you what they basically mean. For cleansing, this is basically the process of washing your skin, cleaning your skin. So it includes you using things like bar soaps, which may be soap-based products or not soap-based products, liquid cleansers, liquid body washes, all to wash or cleanse your skin. You have to take note of, you have to definitely make sure that you've understood your skin type. Why am I saying this? If you understand your skin type, it will help you make the right decision for your skin. It will help you figure out what you're using, what they could do to your skin, what products are best for your skin. So at the end of the day, you don't waste your money or waste your time buying a bunch of products that are not specifically for your skin type or skincare concern. Speaking of brands that specifically make products based on your skin type, we have brands like CeraVe, Neutrogena, and etc, etc. And many other good companies out there, skincare companies out there that make products targeting a specific skin type. So check them out, and if you know any other one that I have not mentioned, please leave it on the comment section down below. Now when it goes to toning, a lot of people don't do toners, but seriously, my skin has been going through a lot and I'll be sharing all about that in my next video. I'm going to tell you a lot of things that my skin has actually been going through. Now toners currently are a go-to. I'll definitely suggest you try toners. Introduce moisture, especially if you're using very dry cleansing washes, cleansing bar soaps that are extremely drying. Toners introduce moisture back into your skin. Most times they also help in the treatment of what you're trying to target. Now currently toners, some toners contain ingredients such as vitamin C, like the good molecules, tranexamic acid, and all those ones, Tiam, vitamin B3 source toner. These toners also treat, they don't just introduce moisture and hydrate your skin, they also treat your skin concerns. So yeah, that's an improvement in the skincare world. So your toner can actually do a whole lot. Yeah, toners are like foundations. Yes, when you do your makeup, you have your foundation, then you have every other thing on it. Toners act like that. They're like a cushion before you start doing your serums, your body creams, and all that. Toners are actually very nice. I suggest you invest in good toners. The next on the list, depending on what you really want, my very good toners. Now, if you want my recommendation, if you want me to suggest a nice toner for you, the Tiam Vitamin B3 Source Toner contains vitamin C and tranexamic acid, which is good for hyperpigmentation and brightening your skin. Now, if you have dark spots, this toner is for you. Same with the good molecules. There are many other toners out there, but these two, especially for my sisters out there that have breakouts, dark spots, and all that, these two toners I mentioned are really nice. Check them out, and if you have, leave a comment down below. When you're done toning, you have to look for the next line of products which fall into the category of treatments. Now when you're talking of treatments, you're looking out for products, serums that would help you target or help you clear whatever your skincare concerns might actually be. For instance, if you have acne or if you battle with pimples, the ingredient you should look out for in terms of treatment is salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. So when you go into your skincare supply store, you have to make sure you're looking for products that have these ingredients in them. Nowadays, most cleansers come with these ingredients, like the CeraVe brand as well. But if you don't want to have an all-in-one kind of treatment product, you can do them step by step. So when it comes to the treatment, you have ingredients like salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide for acne. And then when it comes to dark spots, you have products that contain alpha-arbutin, kojic acid, tranexamic acid, azelaic acid. Some products also contain hydroquinone, which a lot of people would quarrel with me about, but it's all about your choice, and it all depends on the percentage which you're using the product. Like if you're using a product that contains just 1% hydroquinone and then you're using sunscreen, you shouldn't really have a problem. But if you're always using products that contain high percentages of hydroquinone, that is where you have problem with your skin at the long run. So especially if you know, there's a difference between you do not know and you're using a product like that. But with that out of the way, hydroquinone is also a good triosinase, is also another triosinase inhibitor. Now things like vitamin C, kojic acid, azelaic acid, and so on. Treatments for wrinkles such as hyaluronic acid and all that, those are really nice. Thing you have to look out. Now the next step in your beginner skincare guide is what we call protection. Now protection is very important. You cannot be using all these ingredients or products without protecting your skin. Now we have sunscreen plays a huge role in this angle. SPF 50 and above is very effective and strong to help you combat the side effects caused by sunburn or sun exposure. Now brands like I've talked about sunscreens here on my channel severally. I'm going to leave the link of the sunscreens I mentioned down below. Now if you are really a sensitive skin person, I will suggest you use a mineral sunscreen which contains things like titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. Now there has been formulations that do not give you a white cast. You need to check them out. The La Roche-Posay sunscreen is also nice. There are many other ones in the market, so check them out. The CeraVe also has a tinted sunscreen. Check them out and go to their website, look over all those products and see if you can purchase them. Now there are also ones you can afford. Korean sunscreen are also nice, so check them out also. I made a video comprehensively talking about sunscreen. It's a recent video. I'm going to still leave the link down below for you guys to check it out. I'll see you guys in another video. Don't forget that God loves you more than I do. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Stay well. Catch you in another one. See you in another video. Leave a comment if you have questions, because I'll be coming up with a video that will answer all your questions. At least I'll try to answer the ones I can. I'm going to be doing like episodes after episodes because I can't target everybody's question at once. But stay tuned because I'll definitely answer your question. I'll see you once again and